In this video, we're going to cover how to use affiliate marketing as a gold mine for your small business. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing for small businesses? We're also going to focus on how to set up affiliate program for your small business and tips finding great affiliates who will be willing to promote and refer paying customers to your business. So let's get right into this video. With so many marketing channels available to small businesses, how do you pick the ones that will be most effective? There are many marketing strategies that can be used together to boost profits in any online business. These strategies may include email, social media, SEO, pay-per-click, and much more. The key is to find the right marketing mix for your business and then run it consistent. You can't just implement one marketing strategy and expect to see results. You have to run quite a few different strategies. And one of the best ways to grow your business is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to grow your business. And affiliate marketing can be an effective way to avoid paying for the cost of acquiring customers and decrease your risk. It also gives you an instantaneous access to a large pool of potential new customers without having to spend money on advertising to pay upfront costs. You could be missing out on significant revenue if you don't consider adding affiliate marketing to your arsenal of marketing tactics. So, what is affiliate marketing for small businesses? But first, what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a great way to make money by referring people to other companies. The affiliate program pays you when someone uses your unique link or code to purchase a product or service on their website. Now, the more sales you generate, the more money that you earn. But if you're a small business owner, then you should use affiliate marketing as part of your marketing strategy. Get referrals from those who've used your product or services and give them a reward for referring people to your business. Give them a link or a referral code that is unique to them so that you can track the referrals. This is simply what affiliate marketing for small businesses is. Statista projects that by the end of 2022, companies would have spent $8.2 billion on affiliate marketing. Now, my question is, are you ready to tap into this billion-dollar industry? I hope your answer is yes. Now let's look at the benefits of affiliate marketing to your small business. Many small businesses have limited budgets, and that's a fact. And often they do not have a marketing department. And this is where affiliate marketing can help. You can partner with an affiliate who has a large following. They will promote your products or services to their audience. Affiliate marketing is a great way for small businesses to drive more traffic and increase profits. However, while it's important to have a terrific affiliate network, you still need to be very selective though about choosing who becomes your affiliate and who promotes your business. A vetting process can help you identify affiliates who work hard on your behalf. Just as an e-commerce search marketing strategy affects how visible your brand is, so too do the actions of affiliates impact the image and reputation of your business. Affiliate marketing can help increase your product exposure and boost sales in much the same way that search engine strategy does for e-commerce. Now here are 6 benefits of affiliate marketing for small businesses. Number 1, brand exposure. To grow a business, every company wants to capture the attention of as many potential customers as possible. Affiliates generate traffic for companies by promoting their goods or services on websites that people visit. Affiliates have a vested interest in your success because they earn commissions from the products that customers buy from them. They are loyal brand advocates who help build trust with potential customers. Number 2, increase social proof. Consumers are more informed and have higher expectations than ever. They rely heavily on a brand's reputation, what other people think of it, what they've heard about it, or whether they like or don't like its products. Research suggests that almost 95% of consumers read online reviews before deciding to make a purchase. If an audience trusts the company and its products or services, then the consumer is more likely to believe what other people say about that particular company or social media posts. Number 3, greater access to a specific audience. Affiliate marketing provides small businesses with the opportunity to tap into the audience of their affiliates and expand their brand's reach. These audiences might not have been easy for small businesses to target using other marketing methods. Choosing affiliates who are a good fit for your brand will help ensure that the traffic you receive through these links is targeted to customers likely to purchase something from you. Number 4, boosts your conversion rates. You should know that it's not not the number of visitors that you get to your store that matters. It's the number of sales that you make that is vitally important. By tracking how your business performs through sales, you can make operational improvements in the future. For example, by collecting data from affiliate marketing tracking, such as where customers come from and why they're buying, companies gain essential insights into their consumers' preferences. Analyzing the rich collection of data helps companies improve their websites, offer more engaging visual creatives, and identify which affiliates bring in the most revenue. This information can also be used to make changes that will lead to better conversions. Reduce your cost of doing business. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost way to promote your products because affiliates only get paid when they generate sales. Your company doesn't have to pay for advertising unless it generates revenue. Businesses set up the commission structure in advance and avoid wasting money on an ineffective advertising campaign. Number 6, increase your profits. Marketing and advertising campaigns have an unpredictable returns, but the performance-based aspect of affiliate marketing makes it easy for you to gauge who's helping you generate sales. And this is one of the main reasons why small businesses employ affiliates to sell their products or services. You can reach a targeted audience of potential customers by promoting your company's products through an affiliate program. Now, let's look at how to set up affiliate programs for your small business. But before you set up a program, make sure that you are familiar with the legal guidelines governing such relationships. Don't expect a large number of affiliates to sign up automatically. You should know that you might need to do some marketing and promotion to attract them. The first step in attracting potential affiliates is to let them know that your program exists. An equally important aspect of affiliate marketing is providing an incentive for someone to want to become an affiliate and promote your product or services. Amazon's affiliate program is more popular than similar programs because it provides its affiliates with a number of perks and benefits. One of Amazon's greatest assets is its large range of products. The company makes it easy for people to become affiliate marketers, and the lack of technical expertise required means that anyone can take advantage. Now, while no one can compete with Amazon's affiliate program, it's an excellent example to follow when setting up your own. In a separate video, I'll talk about the pros and cons of becoming an Amazon affiliate. I'm going to blow my own horn here by saying that here at the CU University, we have what I believe is a great affiliate program, which we will be launching very, very soon. So click the link in the description and register your interest. So self-promotion complete. Let's get on with the video. Creating an effective and successful affiliate marketing program for your small business requires you to take the following steps. Number 1, set clear goals. When developing your marketing plan, you should figure out your overall goals, including determining your target audience, determine the type of affiliates you want to work with as partners. To help determine the effectiveness of your affiliate program, you should set measurable goals such as estimate the revenue you want to generate through your affiliates, the percentage of affiliate links that lead to conversions. Ultimately, the amount of revenue generated from affiliate relationships is what matters. However, setting goals and metrics will help you identify your program's strengths and weaknesses so that you can make appropriate changes if you need to. Number 2, competition analysis. While you may have a great affiliate program, it's important to understand how competitive your business is in terms of attracting affiliates. This can be determined by analyzing the type of products or services offered by other companies and what kind of compensation that they offer their affiliates. You should also consider the number of affiliates working with each company as well as the services provided by each one. The more affiliates working with your competition, the more difficult it will be to attract them and retain quality affiliates. Now, if you find that your competitors are offering higher commission than you are, then this may indicate that they are attracting better affiliates than you, and you should consider increasing your commissions if this is the case. Not only are you competing for business from your target audience, but you're also competing for the most successful affiliates. Identify 1 or 2 competitors' affiliate programs and determine what kind of commission they offer to affiliates. Do affiliates earn a fixed amount or commission off each sales? Do brand partners receive certain number of products, or are they compensated with cash? Does the commission seem small small, or does it seem fair given the cost of the product or service? Do the companies recruit their own affiliates, or do they use an affiliate network? What are the requirements for applying? Examine the terms and conditions provided. What are the guidelines governing how affiliates can promote their links? What are the guidelines governing how affiliates can promote their links? What are the restrictions, if any, on what and how affiliates can promote products or services? How are affiliates trained? What types of branding and promotional materials are affiliates given to use under the agreement? What is the formula for attributing a sale to tracking cookies, and how long do these cookies remain active if the consumer does not purchase on their first link click? What is your competitor's affiliate program's strengths and weaknesses? When you've analyzed everything about the affiliate programs of your competitors, then can you see something that they're not offering that you can use to gain a competitive edge? Number 3, choose your network. Affiliate networks provide services that help you manage your affiliate program. These services might include recruiting affiliates, vetting them to ensure that they are a good fit for the products or services, tracking sales made through their links, and paying out commissions. Now, if you have time and resources to fully manage the affiliate program, there is no reason not to create your own. However, small businesses often find it difficult to create their own affiliate marketing program. Thankfully, there are plenty of systems out there that will help you. They can help you promote products for a fee, and they get paid when people buy through your links. So, how do you find affiliates for your small business? Even if you join an affiliate marketing network, there are still ways to find other qualified affiliates on your own. It's all about building relationships. The best way to find affiliates is by networking with people who are already in your niche. Join local groups, attend events and conferences, comment on blogs and social media posts, anything that gets you out there in front of people who share your interests. When you get to know someone well enough to ask them if they would be interested in promoting your business, they will likely say yes, because they already know you. Now, here are some tips for finding affiliates. Look for people with a similar audience. If you sell fitness equipment, find affiliates who are selling fitness products or services. If you sell health care products, find affiliates who are into healthcare products. Find out where your target audience hangs out online, and then join the conversation. If you're not in the conversation, you cannot influence the conversation. Start by creating a list of sites that could be interested in promoting your products. You can do this by searching for blogs and websites related to your business and industry. Do some research on these sites, including reading through their content. Look for opportunities to connect with them. You might even want to reach out with a guest post or other collaboration opportunity. When vetting potential affiliates, consider the following factors. Do they have an online presence, such as a blog or website with quality content? Can they tell a story so compelling that customers will want to buy the product? How much traffic does their blog or website generate? The more traffic, the higher the potential for sales. Is their online presence effective and in line with your brand identity? What is the size and nature of their social media following? Before you sign up an affiliate, examine their website or blog for content and technical quality. You should also make sure that they are using a reputable hosting service with fast loading web pages to get people to take action on your offer. Look at their number of social media followers. Once you have recruited qualified affiliates, supply them with creative assets and banners so they can promote your products on their blogs or website or videos. This will give you more control over how your brand is portrayed to consumers. Again, Amazon provides clear instructions and makes it easy to create customized text links that send shoppers directly to the product page on their site. Give your affiliates a copy of the terms and conditions that apply to them, and have them sign an agreement acknowledging their understanding. When you onboard your affiliates, train them to your brand's fundamental principles and give them all the necessary tools to succeed. Check up on their progress regularly. So, the million-dollar question here is, are you ready to use affiliate marketing as a way to increase sales for your small business? Now, of course, being an affiliate has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. After all, effective marketing is always a balance between the two. However, in today's digital world, it makes sense for businesses to use influencers as partners when aiming to build massive audiences, because this approach is both cost-effective and highly efficient. As advertising costs continue to rise, small businesses need to find smart and cost-effective ways to increase sales. Affiliate programs provide a solution that should not be overlooked. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, especially high-ticket affiliate marketing, then click the link in the description to grab a copy of my book, High-Ticket Affiliate Marketing Secrets, which is your very first step to building a successful digital business. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.